Welcome back once again, Hidden Acres Outdoors. I'm David. Today what we're doing is just a little bit of brush hog work. Got the rotary cutter, the Rhino rotary cutter on here, and we've got the everything attachments and wicked tooth bar installed on the bucket, and we're just going to clean up a little bit of this before it gets totally out of hand. Come along, join us. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and stand by. Let's get this thing rolling. Well, we kind of knocked off a little early. I noticed the right hand side of my loader, I guess the bolts are a little bit loose on the loader bucket, so we're going to go back in and tighten that up. But if you got any tips or tricks on how to use these tooth bars for digging up sapling and stuff, please write them down in the comments below and make this learning curve a little bit shorter. Appreciate it. Give us a like, subscribe. See you next time. Hidden Acres Outdoors. Bye.